In this video, I will show you how to fix video playback lagging. So sometimes you would face that there has been lagging in your PC or laptop in the Premiere Pro because your system is not able to support the Premiere Pro, the storage it needed, right? The requirement, the system it needed. To solve this issue, there are some of the tricks which you can apply it over. First of all, you will able to see in the program where our timeline, where our video is playing here, you can see full. So make sure you just click on 1 by 4 or 1 by 2. You will also able to open up the spaces if your system is very low end. So I will just select on 1.4, and here in the preview the quality of the video will be very low just to play it out, but when you will export the video the quality will be high quality. This is just for preview. But still, if you're facing some issue, then you can just select I. For example, I'm lagging my video from here to here, right? So I will just click on I, the start, and O in my keyboard to end, and I will just render it out. Now here you have to go to the sequence and click on render into out, and it will render it out. Right here you can see there's a green line because this video is lag free. You can just play it as many times as you want without doing any changes, and it will not lag for a single frame. So this is the only way which is going to very much help you, and I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.